If you're trying to lose fat and build muscle but love KFC, this popcorn chicken mac and cheese has nearly 60 grams of protein and is a much lower calorie, healthier and higher protein alternative that's perfect for meal prep. In a bowl, add plain flour, baking powder, the KFC Herbs and Spices which are listed on screen, with a tiny bit of pepper. Now mix together diced chicken with eggs and then add the flour and chicken into a container. Mix well until the chicken is fully coated, then spray with cooking oil and air fry or oven bake with the settings on screen until crispy. Now start boiling your pasta, and while that's cooking, to a pan on low to medium heat, add fat-free milk, light cream cheese, grated cheddar cheese with a bit more seasonings, and stir gently until creamy and smooth. Add the cooked and drained pasta, mix it until it sounds like something you've heard before. Then equally divide the chicken and mac and cheese into 4 servings and enjoy. If you're sick of eating plain chicken and rice, this high-protein slow cooker butter chicken tastes better than any takeout or store-bought frozen meals and makes 8 high-protein servings that you can meal prep, store in the freezer and reheat when you're ready to eat. First, start by marinating diced chicken breast in yogurt, followed by the seasonings on screen, some ginger, garlic, then mix it and set it aside. To a pan on medium heat, add butter, sliced onion and the same seasonings as before with more ginger and garlic, and I like to add a bit of cashew nut butter, but this is optional. Then add crushed tomatoes, a little bit of yogurt and mix it on low heat until well combined. Let the sauce cool for 5 minutes, then blend it until smooth and add it to your slow cooker with the marinated chicken. Give it a good mix, cook on either low or high with the settings on screen. Then take the lid off, add a bit more yogurt and mix it together until nice and creamy. Equally divide it into 8 servings and pair this with rice, naan or your choice of sides and enjoy.